Hi, my name is David Saylor with Mamaki, and I'm at Hart Supply in Hingham, Massachusetts, introducing the Boston Sign and Graphics Solution Center, powered by Mamaki and proudly hosted by Hart Supply. Here you'll find more than just printers, more than just media, more than just a customer experience. This is where your ideas come to life. We're bringing together all the essential components to deliver a complete, high-impact sign and graphics solution for your customers. This is your destination for live demonstrations, expert training, and creative collaboration. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this is where your vision takes shape. Join us this June for the grand opening of the Boston Sign and Graphics Solution Center. We'll be covering hands-on topics like mastering color for inkjet printing, vehicle wrapping techniques, applications for walls, windows, and floors, choosing and creating optimal image files, lamination for success, eco-solvent printing techniques, printing with UV flatbeds, creating texture and ADA signage with UV inkjet printers. And that's not all. You'll also be hearing from leading manufacturers and guest experts sharing their latest innovations in print media and technology. The future of sign and graphics starts here. Are you ready? For updated session information and schedules, visit YouTube at PG Sign Video or check out the Hart Supply website at hartsupply.com.